Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you this healthy homemade Nutella recipe which is creamy and perfectly spreadable. For this recipe first we need to roast the hazelnuts. For best results choose peeled and unsalted hazelnuts. Put them into a pan and roast them over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. The roasting process will help to warm up the natural oils inside the hazelnuts. Afterwards, transfer the hazelnuts into a blender or food processor. I would highly recommend here a high-speed blender, so this way you can get that creamy and very spreadable texture and easily. Otherwise, with other food processors, you could lose more time, let's say 20 to 30 minutes to get this creamy consistency like in here. Afterwards, you should add the brown sugar, vanilla extract, which is optional, and vegetable oil. The vegetable oil is very important because it will help to smooth and make more creamy and spreadable the Nutella. Blend again for 2 more minutes and check that the sugar is completely dissolved. Then add the cocoa powder and the chocolate. For this recipe, we don't need to melt the chocolate because the food processor and the nut butter now are already warm enough to melt down the chocolate. Then blend again for 2-3 more minutes and the end result which should look like this is smooth and creamy. Transfer the vegan homemade Nutella into a jar. At this moment it may seem like the consistency is too thin and liquidy because it's warm from the blending process. Let it sit down for 1 hour and then it will become more thick and creamy. Enjoy this healthy treat every morning or whenever you want over your toast, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes.